We're starting the day off with a seriously lavish breakfast spread. From Western delicacies to noodle soup, higher-end Chinese hotels have anything you need. And then my mom insisted on showing us the new observation deck, complete with an art gallery. Western artistic influences are making waves into my mom's hometown, Wenzhou. She's absolutely thrilled and proud of it. POV, you feel so broke in Germany, but feel so bougie and rich in Asia. It's crazy. Wow. Oh, that's the bathroom. Let's try it. 这个温州特色叫蒸掌糕。金马到站12元。看看的，新鲜的呀。Das ist meine Lieblingsessen. In China, keeping your mouth shut is just practically impossible, with food stalls every few steps. Lemon Yakult. 小助理拿一个给他。这个是5马虾。I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Maybe off to dinner. Let's get breakfast. Every day is the same. I'm having such a high life here. I'm so happy. Those little pop marts just caught my sister's eyes. Honestly, I don't quite get toys for adults, but apparently it's a thing in China. I ended up waiting for so long for her that I slowly felt myself seeking the charm of those little figurines as well. Great. I think it's alright. Okay, we're off to meet our friends again. We'll check out the sweet chili start first, and then our delivery friends. And here are some snapshots from Suzhou, the hometown of my friend's family from Berlin. We were a very big group of young adults having a blast and soaking up the joy of life.
Okay.
I just feel with whom you take your travels just really defines the quality and also the vibe of your vacation. When I was with my sister, or when my mom joined as a family, or with a friend, it just has completely different vibes and different experience from a city. Back in Shanghai, we hit the town for a night out, meeting up at an overwhelming sky bar. And of course, no perfect night out in China is complete without some karaoke, aka KTV. After our getaway in Shanghai, we headed back to Wenzhou, my mom's hometown. My sister led us to this beautiful new spot she found through her research on Shanghai, which my mom hadn't even heard of. New attractions pop up in Wenzhou so quickly that the landscape is constantly changing. From a small town, it's morphing into a bustling city, attracting more and more tourists. The main purpose of going back to Wenzhou Yet another time was also that my mom celebrated her birthday with her family. It's so rare for an immigrant to celebrate the birthday with the family, so that was really valuable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy to be back. Subscribe to my channel if you like this vlog.